Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel once again. Here is a quick recap of TASI's price event of the last week, and I would also be touching on what might be expected in coming week. Before we move to the next part of videos, here is a quick disclaimer. Please read it and only once you agree, proceed with next part of the video. So all the information being shared over here is only for information and educational purpose. These are not any trade recommendations. Please consult your trading advisor before taking a trade, and of course follow your risk management rules. Okay, so the good news is that market closed towards its high on the weekly time frame. So the weekly high was made at 10,700 and the market has closed at 10,698, as you can see. What happened? So basically, as we know, that there was a positive reversal between on the weekly time frame between these 2 points, which has already been achieved. And generally, when these patterns achieve their target, I generally expect those to be exceeding their targets. So I have already reviewed the chart and I'll come straight to the time frames which have got some setups available for you. So let's go straight to 2 hourly time frame, where I have noticed few things that I have already covered last week, but I'll touch those over here. So we had a positive reversal pattern that has already achieved its target. Now only thing is that we have got these bearish divergences. I would be expecting this divergence to be broken. This mildly this is broken, but I do not want this to be becoming a resistance zone. I'm expecting this to break, and once this breaks, I would be expecting price to be cruising towards 10,800 level, where I have seen some resistance. So the first point of resistance would be 10,800. Then now let's go to hourly time frame, where again there is nothing much but divergences exist. Here we had a positive reversal pattern that has already achieved its target. Now this divergence line has not been broken convincingly yet. This has to be this should be getting blown by market with volume, so that we can rely on this. And once this takes place, we would be expecting market to proceed towards our resistances. Coming to 30 minutes time frame, we have again got some resistance in the form of divergences over here. So we had a divergence between these 2 points, and now as it's clearly evident that there is a divergence between these points also. So I'm expecting this to be broken to achieve my target. So in case if it breaks on 30 minutes time frame, it will also trigger the divergence on 1 hour and 2 hourly time frame, which will help you in achieving your target at a faster pace. That is the all that is what the significance of overbought and oversold zone is, that you get stronger moves and the bigger moves, because many things get triggered at the same point of time. So coming to the expected direction of prices, so we have seen a bullish moderately bullish to bullish price action during this week, and I expect it to continue unless I am presented with a reason that gives me an alternate view. So that is it from me. If you like the content, you may please like, sh- share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm not very habitual of putting such requests, but you may like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, which will help us in bringing some better content, which in time to come. I have mentioned my email ID in the comment section. You may take it from there, and in case if you have any questions or something, you may put it across, and time permitting, I'll try to revert as early as possible. Markets will be getting fairly complex in time to come, because as we have seen, the market is already into a probable overbought zone, and this zone especially is very tricky and has to be played very carefully. So be very careful with your trailing stop losses in case if you're sitting on some good profits. That is it from me. Again, if you have liked the content, you may like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot. Have a good week ahead for all of you.